In this video, I'll guide you through how to add or upload your logo to Dubsado. Adding your logo to Dubsado is a useful way to keep your business branding consistent across the platform. Your logo can appear in places such as invoices and emails, helping your client-facing materials look more professional and connected to your brand. To get started, open Dubsado and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the gear icon, which gives you access to your account settings. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. From the options that appear, look for branding and click on it. This will take you to the section where you can manage your Dubsado branding settings. Once you're inside the branding section, look for the area labeled Upload Logo. This is where you can add your business logo to your account. Next, click on the pencil icon associated with the logo section. This will allow you to select an image file from your computer. Locate the logo image you want to use on your desktop or in your files, and select it to begin the upload. Once you choose the image, Dubsado will start uploading the logo. Give it a moment to finish, and the page should refresh automatically after the upload is completed. After your logo has been uploaded, make sure you save the changes. Look toward the top right corner of the page and click the Save button. This is important because it confirms the new logo and applies the change to your Dubsado account. After saving, the page will refresh again. You should then be able to see your logo displayed in the appropriate area of your Dubsado dashboard, confirming that the upload was successful. Keep in mind that the exact appearance of Dubsado may vary depending on the version or interface you're using. You may see slightly different menu names, layouts, or icons. If your screen looks different, focus on finding the branding section and the option for uploading your logo. So, to recap, open Dubsado, click the gear icon, select branding, find Upload Logo, and click the pencil icon to choose your logo image. Once the image finishes uploading, click Save to apply the change. And that's how you can add or upload your logo to Dubsado and keep your account branding up to date.